how are you? And I want to talk to you about a new project that I have to do.
Hello, Zoe. I'm fine, and you?
Oh, that's great. I'm fine too. But I need to you give me some ideas about a new project that I have, and I want to do a new TV show.
Oh, what kind of TV show is it?
Oh, I'm not sure, but I wanna do a entertainment TV show.
Oh, what is it about?
I would like to be about comedy. You know, the people like that.
Oh, very good. Who are the main characters?
Oh, I will be a main character, but I have a friend that is going to be presenter too.
And who will it appeal to?
Oh, this program or TV show is going to be appeal for all public people. I mean, the guys, the women, the men, the childrens, because it's going to be a healthy comedy.
Oh, very good. Excellent. I like how you visualize the project. God grant that everything goes well. I think it will be a success because comedy is something that we would like to see.
Thanks, partner Kiara. That's all of my ideas to ask you and answer you. Thanks for your help. See you later.